The Program of Advancement Through Health and Education PATH is Jamaica's premier social protection program. Introduced in 2002, PATH is geared towards providing financial support to the most vulnerable in society through the delivery of cash benefits. Administered by the Ministry of Labour and Social Security, PATH has impacted some 350,000 beneficiaries, with the majority of them being children. With the principle that an educated person in a healthy body is better equipped to beat the cycle of poverty, PATH also provides benefits for students to focus on their education.
The main objective of the Program of Advancement Through Health and Education is to break the intergenerational cycle of poverty. It means that we understand that the main way out of poverty is to be healthy, firstly, and secondly is to be educated. Many persons around today were not born in wealth, but through education, they're able to improve their socioeconomic standing, they're able to have their own business, to be employed, and so forth.
With the opportunities that PATH has created, many persons have been able to achieve the stated mission.
Now, PATH provides cash benefits to families, and the benefit that families receive is based on the number of persons in the family who fall within specific categories that we provide assistance for. So, for example, we look at how many children that are in school going within that household. Do we have any elderly persons? Do we have any persons with disabilities? What about pregnant and lactating women? And those are the main categories.
Beneficiaries on PATH are also eligible for a wide range of other benefits.
Students, for example, are eligible to receive school feeding through the Ministry of Education, both at the primary and secondary level. And in high school, the students, of course, they get all their tuition covered, auxiliary fees covered by the Ministry of Education. And when they get to fifth form, the Ministry of Education covers all the subjects for PATH beneficiaries.
In addition, tertiary level students on PATH can qualify for $100,000 towards their tuition each year, as long as they maintain a minimum grade point average GPA of 2.5.
To qualify for PATH, we encourage members of the family, mainly the family head or the female in the family, to visit one of our parish offices and take along with them their ID, and if there are children in the household or elderly persons in the household, their birth certificates. And if you have someone with a disability and they're registered with the Jamaica Council for Persons with Disabilities, their JCPD registration.
As the Ministry of Labour and Social Security continues to fulfill one of its mandates by supporting those in need, the success stories of beneficiaries are testament to their commitment. Pathways, helping you secure a brighter future.